Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with WordPress.com to connect custom domain settings step by step clearly. First, visit the WordPress.com website and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Site section. In the left sidebar, look for the Domains option and click on it. If you don't see your custom domain listed, select the Add Domain button. In the search box, enter your custom domain name to check its availability. If the domain is available, follow the prompts to purchase it, or if you already own it, select Use a Domain I Own. Next, you will be guided to a page for connecting your domain. Choose Connect Your Domain and select your domain provider from the list. If your provider is not listed, choose the option for Other. You will be given a set of DNS records to update. Go to your domain registrar's website and log into your account. Locate the DNS settings or domain management area. Add the provided DNS records from WordPress.com. Make sure to save the changes you make to your DNS settings. Return to the WordPress.com tab in your browser. Click the Verify button to confirm your domain connection. WordPress.com may take a few minutes to recognize the changes. Once verified, you will see a confirmation message on your WordPress.com dashboard. If there are any issues, double-check the DNS records for accuracy. Feel free to reach out to your domain registrar's support if you encounter difficulties. Your custom domain should now be properly connected to your WordPress.com site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.